Disclaimer. This video is AI generated for infotainment only. Data sourced from the internet. AI may hallucinate. Verify all facts independently.
You have seen the advertisement, guaranteed rank, 100% selection. The smiling toppers, the promise that this time it is certain. In the last 2 years, a government watchdog has been quietly fining the people who make those promises. It issued notices to 24 coaching centers. It fined one major civil services brand 11 lakh rupees for an advertisement about its own results. It did not stop at billboards. It went after the tricks hidden inside the apps on your phone, the box already ticked before you noticed, the donation you never agreed to pay. So here is the question that runs under all of it. Who actually protects you the moment you buy something, and how do you drag a company that wronged you into a code that costs almost nothing? Chapter 37. The Consumer Commissions. There is a code built for one person only, the one who just spent money. It is cheap, it is fast, and in it, an ordinary buyer can take on a giant company. Most people never use it. Almost nobody knows its name. It began in 1986 with a law made only for consumers. Then in 2019, that law was torn up and rebuilt from the ground, a new act for a new kind of marketplace. It created a 3-tier system of consumer courts. At the bottom, a district commission in every district. Above it, a state commission in every state. At the very top, one national commission. They are quasi-judicial bodies. Most people just call them the consumer forums. The scale is real. There are 678 district commissions, 35 state commissions, and the national commission sitting above them all, built up since 1988. So here is what we will settle in the next few minutes. What these consumer courts actually are. The one rule that decides which of them hears your case. The new watchdog that does not even wait for you to complain. The modern frauds it is fighting right now, the misleading ad and a trick buried in your phone. Think about what an ordinary court asks of you. Lawyers you cannot afford, years you do not have. A fight so expensive that for a faulty phone or a broken promise you simply give up. These commissions were built to remove exactly that wall. Alternative system just for consumers, designed to be reachable, affordable, and quick enough that fighting back is actually worth it. The whole point is that the small buyer should not have to surrender to the large seller. These are real courts with real benches. The National Commission has a president and up to 11 members, at least one of them a woman. Its head is chosen on the advice of a committee led by the head of the judiciary itself. The state and district commissions are built the same way, each with a president and members of their own. So the machine exists, 3 levels, staffed and serious. But that raises the first real question. If there are 3 commissions, which one hears your case? The answer comes down to a single number. Part 2. So which of the 3 commissions hears your case? The answer is almost coldly simple. It is decided by money, by the value of whatever you paid for. Under the current rules set in 2021, the line is drawn like this. If the value is up to 50 lakh rupees, you go to the district commission. If it is above 50 lakh and up to 2 crore, you go to the state commission. If it is above 2 crore rupees, you go straight to the national commission at the top. These numbers move. Under the 2019 Act, the district limit was a full crore and the national threshold set all the way up at 10 crore. The 2021 rules pull them down so that smaller disputes stay closer to the ground and only the biggest climb to the top. But a single hearing is never the whole story. Because if you lose, you can lose at the district commission, and you can appeal up to the state commission within 45 days. Lose there, and you can appeal again up to the national commission within 30 days. The ladder does not even stop there. From the national commission, the final appeal runs all the way up to the Supreme Court of India. So a complaint that begins over a faulty product in a single district can in principle end in the highest court in the country. That is the quiet power of the system. It is small at the bottom, but it reaches the very top. Now everything so far waits for one thing, for you to complain. But the 2019 law built something that does not wait at all. It created a new regulator, the Central Consumer Protection Authority. Think of it as the consumer's watchdog. It became active in 2020 and it has powers the old system never had. It can move on its own without a single complaint from anyone. It goes after misleading advertisements. It goes after unfair trade practices. It can order a dangerous product recalled. It can force a refund. It can impose real penalties. Crucially, it reaches into the world where most of us actually shop now online on e-commerce platforms where the seller might be a faceless account 1,000 miles away. So the system now has two halves. The commissions where you bring your fight, the watchdog which goes hunting on its own. That watchdog is busy right now fighting the most modern frauds of all. Start with the one aimed straight at this audience, the coaching industry. The watchdog issued 49 notices and penalties of around 77 lakh rupees against 24 coaching centers for misleading claims. It fined one major civil services brand 11 lakh rupees over an advertisement about its results. It wrote fresh guidelines in 2024 aimed squarely at the inflated promises of the coaching world. Then there is the trick hidden in your phone, what they call a dark pattern. Pre-ticked box, a guilt-tripping button. One edtech giant was fined for slipping a 10 rupee donation into checkout, already ticked, quietly collecting around 2.5 crore rupees from over 21 lakh users who never chose to give. So in 2025, the watchdog ordered every e-commerce platform in the country to audit itself and root those tricks out. So remember the shape of it. A justice system built only for the buyer. 3 commissions, district, state and national. Which one you reach is decided by one number, the value of what you paid. The appeals climb all the way to the Supreme Court. Above it all sits a watchdog that does not wait to be asked, chasing the misleading ad and the dark pattern on its own. This was the code built to take your side in a fight. Next, the code built so there is no fight at all, where disputes end not in a verdict but in a compromise. Chapter 38, Lok Adalats and the other courts.